everyone, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. I've got my resin mixed up. As you can see, it's my Janshun. I'm just finishing mixing it up just a little bit. Today I'm going to use some window clings in the resin. I cut around them so it'd be easier to take them off the backing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and get started. Put this in the middle. What I'm doing is I'm putting this on here, and then I'm going to pour some clear on it. And I'm going to put these little hollies in the corner. Anyway, then I'm going to put some clear on it. And then once I've put the clear on it, I'm going to come back and I'm going to back it with this white with some of those sprinkles in it. I don't know what you call them. I'm just getting this all set up so that I can just pour it on here. And then after it's done, we'll pour a top coat on it, just in case there's any problems. We'll put you right there. And then you up here. I just got a sheet of window clings from, I think it was Walmart or Dollar Tree. I can't remember. It's been too long. I've had these forever. I've never used them. Okay, let's go ahead and pour this on. I'm going to take some of these after I get some resin in there, and I'm going to use those for the around the edges. Okay, I'm just going to sprinkle some in on the edge, and then I'll push it down in there. I want it to sink down in that hole, so oops. I know, I'm making a mess, as always. That's me. I get them over there into that hole. I don't think this is working with this stick. Get one of my silicone tools. What did I drop in there? Piece of resin from something else. Oh, wow. Okay, then. Trying to push all these in the little edges. I remember the last time I put glitter on there, and I put it in the hole first. I got all kinds of holes, or yeah, I got holes in it. Bubbles, that's the word I'm looking for. Bubbles. This is going to be a nice little tray for Santa Claus's cookies and the reindeer's carrots. You know you gotta leave out carrots for the reindeer. Or at least we do here. We try. I think those would be pretty though, even though they did come on some of the tray. I think that's going to be beautiful. Let me get a little micro and go around the edges. Any of the bubbles that are in there will come out. And we might mix a little bit of this glitter, big glitter in the bottom. Okay, now let's go on the inside. Actually, I'm going to go this way on the inside. Excuse me. There. I need a little more of this glitter stuff on this side. Well, I didn't mean to pour it all out. When you want something to sink, they don't sink. When you don't want something to sink, that's when it does it. Ugh. Isn't that always the way? Well, I will keep a babysitting eye on this, trying to keep it in that little bitty spot and let it drop. And I will be back to you when it's time to put the backing on, because I left plenty of room for a backing. Okay, we'll see you soon. Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to go ahead and work on the back of this tray. I've got my resin mixed up. It's the Janshun again. I'm going to put some of this nice white snow in there. I've let it warm up a little bit, let it sit for a little bit so that it'll be warmed up. I'm going to put a bunch of them in here so it'll look like a white background. I'm just in the mood for a chuck it all in kind of video. Not really, but you know what I mean. I'm going to need some more. I need to hurry because it's getting really warm. I let it sit too long. Go ahead and pour it on here. I'm going to use my little doodad here to spread it out a little bit. I think it's called a palette knife. I don't even know. So any of you art people out there that know what this is called, could you please let me know? I want to call it the right name if I can remember it. It's turning out pretty. Should I have all the corners? It's up to the corners. Yeah, I did let it sit too long. I'll go ahead and heat it up a little bit. Maybe it'll move it around. If I had left it much longer, I would have had a flash cure. It didn't flash cure, so that's good. I think it turned out pretty. Okay, I will come back once we get ready to demold it. We'll see you soon. Welcome back. I'm going to go ahead and demold this tray. I'm hoping the window cling worked. I'll probably have to give it a top coat. Ooh, that turned out beautiful. Yeah, I'm going to have to give it a top coat. It won't take much, but that's gorgeous. Wow. I always get over pour. Okay. But that's going to be a beautiful Santa Christmas cookie tray. But what I'll do is I'll put some of this wax or some of this paper on it before I put anything on there. Or I'll just leave something wrapped. You know, if we make cookies or something, I'll wrap them, put them in something, put them on a dish. Something. You know? I don't know if I am going to do a top coat. This just looks gorgeous just as it is. Well, if you like this video, go ahead, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. Uh, subscribing doesn't cost anything. Anyway, it really helps my channel. And if you like this, check out this video I have for you, probably down there. It really does help my channel. Go ahead and watch that one too. I hope you like it as well. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.